Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. This video is Logical Alphabet and Number Sequence Test Part 4. Now suppose we have the following question. Here we have the word congregation, Congregation, and if the first and third, second and fourth and so on are interchanged, then we have to find 10th letter from right in the new arrangement. So if we give numbers according to their position, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 1 and 3 are interchanging, 2 and 4 are interchanging, 5 and 7 are interchanging, 6 and 8 are interchanging, 9 and 11 and 10 and 12 are interchanging. Now we have to find the 10th letter from right in the new arrangement. What we can do is we can find the 10th letter from right in this arrangement. Now 10th letter from right is 13 minus 10, that is third from left, which is N. Now N is, now here we can see that first and third letter have interchanged, so N would have taken the position of 1 and C would have taken the position of 3. So the answer, that is 10th letter from right in the new arrangement is C. So here what we are doing is we are finding the 10th letter from right in the original arrangement only, and then we are seeing that what would have been in that position if the letters were arranged. As we can see, third from left, so we know that the answer would be the third position, and since the first and third letters are interchanged, so C will take this third position, so that answer is C, that is letter C. We are given, sometimes we are given a letter like computerize, COMPUTERISE, and we have to find whether there is a meaningful word that can be formed with some of the selected letters from this word. For example, we have to find whether there is a meaningful word with third, sixth, 8th and 11th letter from the word this. So third is M, 6th is T, 8th is R and 11th is E. So we have the letters M, T, R, E, and we have to make a meaningful letter with it, which would be T, E, R, M. Now there can be several questions like write the last letter of the word thus formed or the first letter of the words such formed. If there are no such words, then the answer would be X. If there are more than one word, then the answer would be Z. So accordingly, we have to answer the question depending upon this word formed, or whether any words meaningful word is forming or more than one meaningful word is forming. Depending on that, we can answer such questions. While forming the word, look for the sentence using each letter only once, because if this is not mentioned, then we can use all or only some of the letters, and we can use each letter more than once. If only this statement is written that using each letter only once, then only we have to use all the selected letters, and that also only once. Now suppose we have the following question. Here what we have to do is detect a rule or rule detection. Now the question we are given, a number of letters skipped between the adjacent letter in the series is 2. Which of the following series observes this rule? So let's start with the first one. So first is M. We were skipping 2, so that is plus 3. NO, then P, again plus 3, QR, then S, then TU, then V, WX, then Y, ZA, then B, CD, and then E. So here we can see that our first one, that is our option A, is following this rule. So the correct answer is option A. So what are we doing here is we are finding what is the rule we have to follow from the question, and then we have to see which of the following option is following that rule. In this case, the first one has followed the rule. If the first one wouldn't have, then we would have checked second, then third, then fourth, until we find the one that follows the rule. Sometimes we have to solve the questions in which we have to find the digits after rearrangement. In this type of questions, a specified order or pattern is used to rearrange the positions of digits of the number. Suppose we are given a number 7524693, and then we have to arrange it in ascending order. So it is the original number. Now in ascending order it would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So if our question was that we have to find how many digits will be as far away from the beginning if the numbers were arranged in ascending order as they are in the number. So in this case we have to find, so just like in case of alphabets, here we have to find the number of digits which are parallel to each other in both the sequence. Here such number is only 6. So there is only one digit. So the answer would be 1. That is, there is only one digit that will be as far away from the beginning of the number if arranged in ascending order as they are in the number. Now if we have the following question, that is the first and last digits are interchanged, then which of the given option will give the least number? Now there are two ways of solving it. First is that we arrange the digits as said. So the digits would be 814, 913, 971, 985 and 904, and then we will find that what would be the least number. Here the least number is 814. The number corresponding to 814 is 418, so the answer is 418. Another way of doing is that instead of interchanging them, only find which of the following has smallest last digit. Now the last digit of other four are 9. Only 418 has the smallest last digit. So here, without even doing the interchange, we find the correct answer to be 418. Now in case there are two numbers that have smallest large digit, then we would look for the second, that is in this case the middle digit, and see which of the following will have smaller middle digit. So by solving either way, the correct answer of this question is option number D, that is 418.